Hello guys. Okay. Now in this video, we've reached to the last and the most important stage in key programming for all keys lost, Volkswagen TIGUAN 2013. Now, as we go in this example, you will maybe ask or say, why the instructor giving me such a challenging example? It's okay, no problem. I just need to prepare your psychology and to prepare your mentality to be familiar with the German automakes. Almost all German automakes is challenging job once it's come to key programming. So I'm just preparing you to do this job and to receive more money. As much as the job is challenging, as much as you will receive money. So this would be more income for you, good experience, and it's really good for you to go extra mile in the key programming industry. So in this example, I will just re-summarize what we've did from beginning. We've picked the lock, decode it, cut the key, program or prepare the universal remote, X-Horse remote. We prepare it through the Key Tool Max, and we've attached the key blade, and now the time has come to program the key on the car. This car, at a certain stage, you need to remove the instrument cluster from the dashboard base. There are a lot of videos on YouTube showing you how to remove such a unit from Volkswagen cars. You can just watch it. You need to be careful while, if in case you decided to try it in your car or in a client car, you just be sure you have the full information about how to remove and how to fix back. In this example, you will see step by step from A to Z how to start the OBD procedure, how to remove the instrument cluster, how to connect it to the ship through EEPROM function, how to bring it back to the car, how to complete the procedure. This video is self-explanatory. It will show you step by step what to do, and no need for me to keep commenting on the video because everything made clear by photos, by guidance, by steps. Please just watch it, okay? And again, I will tell you, as much as you accept such a jobs, as much as you get money, okay? Okay, now start just seeing the operation. Okay, here in this step, guys, you've You are already on board in the car. The first step you need to do, backup ABS code. Right away, the backup completed. Okay, then you will start the procedure for removing this instrument cluster. You need to uh, lower the steering column, adjust the position downward, as you see in the photo. After you switch the ignition off, remove the upper cover, as shown here. It's straightforward the procedures, but you need to be careful while doing it. I would advise you to get like instrument cluster module from any scrapyard, so to get familiar with the procedure. You can also try it yourself, try to see the ships as you will see next in the video. Locate the screws. You need to be careful while removing the screws from the unit. Carefully, you need to pull it out. You will see blue connector with pink clamp. Okay, you need just to remove it and pull the instrument cluster out. Bring it on bench, remove the cover and take the board outside. Locate this ship as shown in the photo, using the Hotel 608 Pro also with APA 103 clamp. You need to connect it to the XP 400 like in the photo while this arm is out. Up. Then once you inserted the clamp, just take it downward. Clamp this to the ship like in the photo here. And then you start the procedure in the Hotel 608 Pro. Just go to all keys lost via dump. This is the steps we will go through it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in sequence. And this video now will guide you one by one to these steps, and the device will promote you to these steps one by one. As you will see in the video, I have cleared everything so you can watch it. Here, once you reach to this step, all of the first 1, 2, 3 are on bench. Okay, are on bench. Once we reach to write EEPROM data via OBD, this is the time when you need to refix the instrument cluster into the car back again. And you keep the hotel as it is on this page. Once you completed the reconnection of the instrument cluster, you need to press OK to complete the procedures on board through OBD. Press OK after you switch the ignition on. So procedures kicked off. The system will enter the programming mode, and you don't need to interrupt the operation by any means. You need just to follow your 608 instruction. You reach to read emo data. Now the time the device will ask you to to put the key we've prepared earlier into the key slot in the XP 400, like showing in the photo. Communicating with the key. Now we'll ask you if you want to do another key. Up to you. If you want to add two keys or to keep one key, it's up to you. Now using the same key and the blade that we cut already to turn the ignition on, asking you if the vehicle equipped with a smart key. No, it's not smart key. So we will click no. Mention the number of keys you want to program. In our case, we will program one. Press OK. Learning started. Now within 30 seconds, you turn the ignition on. The key should be inserted one by one at intervals shorter than 5 seconds. Next step, turn off the ignition and wait for 5 seconds, then turn the ignition to on. Execution succeeded for key learning. Now to the last step, recover ABS code. Execution success. Key programming is completed. So it might be showing here it's complicated, but once you started practically yourself, it will be more better for you. And key programming, it's all about try and fail, try and fail, try and fail. Investigate, collecting the information. You will fail several times in some jobs, but at the end of the day, you are going to be expert, believe me. Okay? So this is the scenario for Volkswagen Tiguan 2013 is completed from A to Z. We've picked the lock, we've decoded the key, cut the key, and then we programmed the key. Thank you, guys.